Hey guys, a company called KESWIGS sent me this beautiful curly wig, guys. It's HD lace. I can't remember the length, but the length will be in the description box below. All the details for this wig will be in the description box below, so definitely make sure you click the link to purchase this wig. Guys, this wig was like 250 density, but it felt like it was 500 density, if that even exists. It was super heavy. It was so easy to apply. The lace was so good, guys. Look at that melt already. Absolutely in love with this unit. Brilliant. So I'm just cutting off the lace, as you guys know I do, and I'm using the new spray that I've been trying out instead of Got To Be spray, because this spray is just like ultra hold, guys. So cut off half the lace, and I was just starting to see how great the wig melts. Like, guys, this wig is so perfect. I 100% recommend every single person to go ahead and purchase this wig in the link in the description box below. I've worn a few of these wigs before, and I have tried another company called Luvme Hair. I've also tried the same wig from that brand, and guys, I'm going to insert a few pictures as I go along and compare both wigs and tell you a bit about both of the wigs later on in the video. But right now I just want you lot to see me install this beautiful hair. I'm going to put this in a ponytail because like I wanted to do something cute, because I was going out to a party, so I just wanted to be cute, you know what I mean? So yeah, I'm not going to talk throughout the whole entire video. I'm going to play some music so you guys can enjoy, and then like I will like come back and explain what I'm doing here and there.
Keep coming back, you keep coming back. You try to leave me, but you come right back. I got what you like, you can't deny that. You an addict, and you know I got a good crack. Tell me what you want, boy, I can provide that. So I just slow wine, slow wine, slow wine. No, it's bad, but it's so nice, so nice. I just wanna hold you all night, so tight. Cause I've been feeling for you, tell me exactly what you do to me. Yeah, tick-tock. Yeah, you love it when I list lock. No time, baby, to the wristwatch. Fuck a friend zone, you got my hot bro. Niggas ain't even got the time, no. Ain't Lizzie calling, I'ma decline, yeah. Getting mine, I'm doing just fine. If it's money, no, I'm on it. Can't be a broke bitch, I'm being honest. It's what you want, baby. You can come up on the zone, baby. I don't mind, it's what you want. Yeah, we can go. You try to leave me, but you come right back. I got what you like, you can't deny that. You an addict, and you know I got a good crack. Tell me what you want, boy, I can provide that. So I just slow wine, slow wine, slow wine. No, it's bad, but it's so nice, so nice. I just wanna hold you all night, so tight. Cause I've been feeling for you, tell me exactly what you do to me, yeah. Something about what you do to me, you do. Oh, you do it to me, baby. You tell me this and that, that's why you can't fall back on me so soon. What you want, you can get it. Fuck all them hoes, you ain't gotta be consistent. Don't want no clothes which they never existed. Cause you make me dream, better yet you be wishing. Wishing for my body.
As you guys can see, I'm installing the baby hairs, and guys, like I actually enjoyed doing the baby hairs this time because you guys know I hate it. I realized that the size was uneven, so I undid the baby hair and did it all over again, and then finally got it to match. But guys, look at my baby hairs. For the first time, they came out so nice. I really like this wig. Like, guys, I will never sell this wig. This wig is my favorite wig. Like, out of many wigs that I have, this is my favorite wig. And I'm not going to use any Got To Be spray or any holding spray anymore on my baby hairs. Like, I finally realized that mousse is the perfect thing to use. And now I'm just basically putting it up in a bun, in a ponytail. And guys, I'm going to play some music and I'll be back.
That's why you can't fall back on me so soon. What you want, you can get it. Fuck all them hoes, you ain't gotta be consistent. Don't want no clothes which they never existed. Cause you make me dream, better yet you be wishing. Wishing for my body. Wanna read me out like Gotti. Fuck up your place and baby, I ain't sorry. I can be sweet but tonight I'm so naughty. You try to leave me but you come right back. I got what you like, you can't deny that. You an addict, and you know I got a good crack. Tell me what you want, boy, I can provide that. So I just slow wine, slow wine, slow wine. No, it's bad, but it's so nice, so nice. I just wanna hold you all lie so tight. Cause I've been feeling for you. Tell me exactly what you do to me. Yeah. Yeah, you're right. I got what you need, I got what you need. What you need, baby. I got what you need.
Guys, so here's the comparison video I wanted to show you guys. As you can see, on your right hand side you got Love Me Hair, and on your left hand side you got KESWIGS Hair. Now these two wigs are the same wigs but different quality, and it's basically just showing you that the best one to go for is KESWIG and the other one is Love Me Hair. You can both see the same comparison. It's the same wig, but one's just better quality, better density, sheds less. And guys, honestly, from the looks of working with KESWIGS Hair, this hair was absolutely amazing. It's true to length, the quality is amazing, the density is 100% true. Like, everything about KESWIGS was really good. I've also tried Love Me Hair, and guys, I'm not going to lie to you, I'm going to be 100% honest with you. It is literally not as great as the wig that I'm wearing. It's the same wig that I've had before, but it is just completely higher quality and stuff like that. So guys, as you can see, I showed you the comparison. This is the finishing look. This is how amazing the wig is. Look how full this wig is. Guys, this wig was super heavy, but all the details will be in the description box below. So if you're definitely interested, I 100% 1000% recommend. Make sure you click the link in the description box below and purchase this unit. It is literally true to length. The lace is unbelievable. Like, you can't even spot the lace. This is a HD lace that I'm wearing. Anyways guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.